I am so excited to show you how my mom and I turned my boring patio into a complete dream come true outdoor space. We did pressure wash ahead of time, and then we added BB Frösch paint transformer to our paint. So we just used the whole gallon size of powder with 2 cups of water. This will really help your paint bond to the surface that you're painting. Here you're just after a donut glaze consistency, and we just added this directly to our paint. We are using an exterior paint here that will also help with bonding to the surface. We did use a concrete mixer to mix the paint so that it would be nice and smooth, and now we're ready to get painting. Remember, the surface was already clean. This is after 1 coat, and we did actually fill the cracks. Now we're ready to get stenciling. If you'll notice, we have a paper towel on hand to make sure that our brush is really dry prior to painting. You want a dry brush so that the paint doesn't seep under those cracks and that you get a real smooth, nice look. Now we're ready to remove that stencil and take a look. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous. This was such a fun project. My mom and I had a blast doing this together. Some key things to remember: the patio was pressure washed ahead of time. BB Frösch paint transformer is what helps your paint bond to the surface completely. We did seal it with this outdoor wet sealant. This will help it also last over time through dogs, kids, and the summer heat. If you have questions, comment them below and we will answer them so that you too can create your dreamy outdoor space.